Have you ever found yourself in that uncertain space, wondering about your standing after submitting important paperwork, especially something as crucial as your residency permit renewal in Europe? It is a very common and understandable concern for many Americans living abroad, creating a period of potential anxiety. The direct answer is that, in most European countries, you generally do maintain legal status while your residency permit renewal application is actively processing. This crucial continuity is provided that you have submitted your application correctly and, most importantly, on time, before your existing permit expires. This provision is designed to prevent any gap in your legal ability to reside and work. The underlying mechanism for this continued status stems from the administrative framework of European immigration systems. Governments recognize that processing thousands of applications takes considerable time and resources. It would create immense disruption, both for individuals and the state, if legal status were to simply vanish the moment an old permit expired, even with a renewal pending. Therefore, many countries implement a legal principle, sometimes referred to as tacit approval, legal fiction, or an administrative extension. This principle essentially means that your previous rights and status are legally extended until the authorities make a formal decision on your new application. This extension is typically contingent on the application being complete and lodged within the prescribed timeframe. During this processing period, it is absolutely essential to arm yourself with the right documentation. You should always carry tangible proof that your renewal application has been submitted and is pending. This usually includes a copy of your full application form, the official receipt issued upon submission, and your expiring residency permit itself. In many European nations, you might also receive a specific temporary document, such as a receipt of application, an attestation de dépôt, or a temporary residence certificate. These documents serve as official evidence of your continued legal stay. It is paramount to verify the exact documents and procedures required by the specific country you are in, as these can vary significantly. This collection of official documentation is your key to proving your ongoing legal status if you need to travel within the Schengen area, confirm your right to work, or access essential public services during the waiting period. A significant insider detail to be aware of is the impact on international travel. While your status within the country is maintained, your ability to leave the country and re-enter, especially outside the Schengen zone, can be restricted. Without a valid, unexpired permit or a specific re-entry visa, leaving the country could potentially invalidate your pending application or create difficulties upon your return. Always consult the immigration authority in your specific country if you anticipate needing to travel internationally during this processing phase. Additionally, understand that your fundamental rights, such as your ability to continue working, renting accommodation, or accessing social benefits, typically remain exactly as they were under your expiring permit, ensuring stability. So, breathe a sigh of relief. By diligently submitting your residency permit renewal application according to your host country's rules, you are generally not plunged into a precarious legal limbo. This understanding, combined with the knowledge of which documents to keep readily accessible, provides a substantial layer of security and peace of mind. It empowers you to continue building your life in Europe with confidence, knowing you have successfully navigated the administrative process and are protected by the system.